Hey guys, my name is Bill Eccles, here with my 2004 Jeep Wrangler. I just picked this up about a month or so ago, so I'm new to the whole Jeeping world. Definitely new to this YouTube posting video stuff, but I've searched the internet, YouTube, everywhere, trying to figure out how to get heat to the back seats. Alright, so southern Indiana, late April, it's pretty chilly in the back seats. We've bundled up in the blankets as much as we can back there, but I wanted a way to get some heat back there. So I looked at electric blankets and wiring those in, cigarette lighters, whatever it might be. Read all the reviews for the little dashboard heaters. I figured I could rig something back there to blow some heat on the people. But what I came up with was a simple idea. It's $12 at Lowe's. It's a universal sump pump discharge kit. And all it is just a hose in there. And I thought, well, if I could pipe that to the back, it would solve the issue. Hopefully, maybe not. So all I did was, wrong end, this one first, I just stepped on it, smashed this end down, and underneath the, let me switch this camera around. So moving into the Jeep, we've got our vent up top, and we also have this vent down here, and the driver's side also has one very similar to this. If I can just grab that hose, and hopefully do this one-handed, to where you just shove it into that port and then run it along. Now this is something I may end up tying it up this way somehow or whatever, but this will be something that I just put into the Jeep when I have passengers back there. On the driver's side, I'll have to make sure that I keep it out of the way of the pedals and safety reasons and all that stuff, but it shouldn't be an issue over there either. So if I turn on the heat now, we have still quite a bit of air coming through, not as much as we had before. If I take that out, you can see how much air comes through there. So you are losing some from the front, but the whole point is to get it to the back. So you also have the other selector that you can put the floor or the face ones from the front. But so leave that on for a second, and we can check the airflow on the back. If I grab our hose here, first of all, you'll see the attachment I had to put on here. It whistles if you don't have some kind of attachment to minimize the airflow coming out. Yours may not do that, depending on how flat you get that piece, or if your Jeep, the port's a little bit different on yours or whatever. But as you can see back here, it's putting through quite a bit of air into this thing. So hopefully that helps the passengers in the back. They can put this, I'm leaving my hose longer to where they can put it into the seat, put it into under the blanket, onto their feet, their pant leg, whatever they want to do, to keep warm back here as well. So let me shut this back off. There you have it. It'll be out of the way a little bit more than that when it's all tied in, but a little bit of heat for the back. All right, just to recap, we got a sump pump discharge kit from Lowe's, $12. Throw a couple attachments on the end of it. Smash the end of it. It's pretty rigid, so I stepped on mine to smash it down, shoved it into that port under the dash, and run the hose to the back. Should be good to go. You can cut it to length, whatever you need, and hopefully get some heat for everybody in the back. Like I said, we tried the blankets and the dashboard heaters and little space heaters, but it just didn't make sense to wire that stuff. There weren't good reviews on it, didn't get warm enough anyway, so this is basically just trying to steal the heat from the front a little bit, run it to the back, and hopefully that helps somebody out. I checked on YouTube and the internet trying to find some kind of way to do this, so hopefully I can help somebody do this, and it's a quick little cheap fix to add some heat to the back. Alright.